I'm here in Singapore right now, but I'm not from Singapore. I'm from Philippines.
You from Filipin. Oh,
Yeah.
Filipin. Mahal kita gitu. Mbak, diem aja kayak limbat. Woi, malah tahu diajak ngobrol. Orang mana?
What are you saying?
Iya, where are you from?
I'm from Singapore.
Singapura. You cannot
Yeah.
speak Melayu. Hah?
Melayu.
You cannot speak Melayu.
What's Melayu?
Melayu, your language. Singa is from Melayu. You know? Your state, Singapore. Singa is come from Melayu language. Masa?
Oh.
Masa lu nggak bisa bahasa Melayu? Gimana sih malah tahu? Namanya siapa?
Where are you from?
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Uh,
You seem like a Filipino one.
Filipino. No, aduh. The Southeast Asian have the same appearance. You know, Thailand, Singapura, Malaysia, Indonesia. Ya kan? We are the Melayu people. So we have same appearance gitu. Kayak sama. Tuh. Ya kan? Singapura sebelah mana? What part of Singapore do you live?
Why?
Hah?
Do you want to come?
Come, I will come dah ntar. One day. Gitu. Malah tawa-tawa. Mana? Changi Bay aja. Apa lagi sih daerah Singapura? Namanya siapa? What's your name?
My name is Casey. Casey.
Casey.
Yeah.
Oh, Casey. Keren namanya Casey. Gimana sih tulisannya gini? Casey. Like that,
That one is
Casey.
pronounced by Cassie. I think my name is like K and C. Letter K and C.
Letter K and C. Casey gitu.
Yeah.
Okay, C. What is your full name?
This one is my nickname.
Yeah, this one.
My real name is Emery.
Emerin.
Yeah.
Oke, nama sampo. In Indonesia there is a sampo name Emeron. Emeron. Sampo. Nama lo Emerin. Ini lagi apa? What are you doing nih in Ome? You?
I'm just bored.
I just bored deh. Just want to talk to stranger.
Yeah.
Why you can speak ini ya Melayu? In Singapore, what do you speak? What language do you speak in Singapore?
Chinese and English.
Chinese apaan yang I tahu cuman nih ciao semua mingse gitu.
Oh, 我叫 Emery.
Emerin nih. Gitu doang. Nih cucai nali. Iya.
Wow, you know
Enggak. That's all I know. Just.
Sorry, I lied.
Hah?
I'm not really from Singapore.
Terus mana dong? Malah tawa lagi.
I'm here in Singapore right now, but I'm not from Singapore. I'm from Philippines.
You from Filipin. Oh,
Yeah.
Filipin. Mahal kita gitu. Iya. Mahal kita. Filipin. I love you ya, mahal kita ya.
What are you doing right now?
Ini I'm streaming tuh. Kan I'm streaming in YouTube tuh.
Just hanging
Just streaming and talking to practice my English. You know my English very broken.
No, it's good.
Good ya.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Who is that? Siapa itu? Is that
Oh,
your
my sister.
your little sister?
Yeah.
Oh iya dah, siapa namanya? Hmm, siapa apa namanya? What is her name? Siapa itu belakang?
This one is Macy.
Messi.
Yeah.
Oh, Messi. But you don't look like a Filipino girl. You
This one is my stepsister.
your stepsister,
Yeah.
different father.
Yeah.
Oh, bapaknya nikah lagi. Different father. What is your Philippines name? You have Philippines name. Itu
I use the KC one.
Casey.
Yeah.
Casey mantap. Kalau Filipin mah siapa ya? Rodrigo Duterte ini presiden. That's the president of Filipino. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rodrigo Duterte who were with the drug dealer. Iya, every drug dealer has sentence with death. Dor.
Do you
Mati.
often watch news from
What?
Philippines? Do you often watch news from Philippines?
Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes if it is broadcast in Indonesian television, iya, I will watch it. Kagak ada yang ramai sih. Do you have Instagram nggak?
Yeah.
Apa? What is your Instagram?
Wait.
Weh, halo, little girl.
This one is 8 years old.
Kaiser Charm.
Yeah. This is the meaning of the KC.
Casey.
Yeah.
Oh, Casey is the acronym of Kaiser Charm.
Yeah.
Kaiser Charm. Wih, di Kaiser Charm loh. So, what is your nationality right now? You are a Singaporean or
My nationality is Filipino.
Filipino? Oh, so what are you doing in Singapore?
I'm here to study.
Study. So, you are what?
For good.
For good. Oh, apa? University student.
Yeah.
What majors?
Actually, I don't know.
You don't know. How come you don't know?
But right now, I'm still thinking.
You still thinking to choose?
Yeah.
Oh, iya, be hurry up. Iya, don't take time too much to thinking. You have to take action to make decision. Gitu. To make decision.
Wait. How old are you?
23.
23.
You don't believe. You don't believe me.
Like 19 like that.
What?
You seem like 19 years old.
19. Wah, I look younger.
Yeah.
Waduh, maybe because I am too handsome kali. Saja dah.
Do you sing?
Sing what? Sing
You
every.
know how to sing?
Yeah, I can sing.
Can you sing for me?
Sing what? What song?
Anything you want to.
Anything apaan ya? You know Christian Bautista pasti kan?
I think.
Christian Bautista is singer from Philippines, right? Cause there's something in the way you look at me. That song from Christian Bautista.
Oh.
Yeah. Is it as if my heart knows you're the missing piece? You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. I never know what you see but there's something in the way you look at me.
Wow.
Aduh, very good ya.
You're not cute, but also good at singing.
That's a Vidi Aldiano type of song, type of sing. Do you know Vidi Aldiano?
With Ariana.
Vidi Aldiano is a singer in Indonesia,
Oh.
and he sings like my style, like my style, you know. Gitu dah. Do you know Michael Jackson?
Yeah.
Michael Jackson. When Michael Jackson singing, he always make this sound. You are not alone.
You're just like hiccuping.
Hiccup, iya benar. Do you notice that? Whispers the one that I come running, fly, and girl, you know that I'll be there. I'll be there. You are not alone. Michael Jackson tuh begitu mulu.
Nice one.
Subscribe.